How's it going, everybody? This is Fast Lane Fixer, and today I am working on the 18 horsepower go-kart. I got some stuff in the mail. Got this air filter and got a belt. I'm going to be putting those on. We're going to do something about how loose the engine is, see if we can get that fixed. Probably have to put some slots in the mounting plate because I'm pretty sure I'll have to slide this apart so that the belt is actually tight enough. But first, I think I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get this mounted. First off, take this old one off. These two are both 10mm nuts. Once you slide that on, and you just take those two 10mm nuts and put them back on. There we go, got those tightened up. Make sure to put this little piece on so that the choke lever won't come off, because if you don't put that off, it'll just pop off. Then you just take this and slide it right on there. Take a Phillips screwdriver, tighten that up so that it can't slide back off. Okay, got the air filter on. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this belt on and see how well it fits. So I'm definitely going to need to slide the engine forward to tighten it up. There shouldn't be too big of a problem. What I need to do, take the engine off, take this plate off right here, and they just drilled just single holes. They didn't slot it so you can slide it. So I'm gonna put some slots in. I got all the bolts off underneath. Now I need to disconnect the throttle cable. So I got the engine loose. I just need to take it off. Got the engine off. Now I can take this off. I can put some slots right there, and then I should be able to put it back on. Got that all cut out. Now I guess all I need to do is put it back on the go-kart, put the engine back on, and see if it fits right. So I got the engine mounted and everything. Belt's tight, chain's tight enough. So now I am just getting ready to put the throttle cable back on. Then I think I'll be ready to try it out. There we go. Got that all done. Now I guess it's time to see if it rides. So the reason why the belt keeps on getting sucked into the center is because the spring isn't strong enough. so it doesn't have enough strength to keep the belt from just getting ripped inside, because this engine's that powerful, I guess. So what I'm gonna do is take this off and turn it a full turn. I think that should work, so that the spring will already be tightened down more, and that should work, I think. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the tire off so I can get to this, and let's take it off. Okay, now that I got it off, let's see if I can take this thing apart. That's where I need it to be. Okay, go. Okay. There we go, got it all beat down. So now let's see if I can slide it on there. Sweet. Slides on real easy, don't have to hit it off or anything. That's nice. Now I'm just going to put this back on, and then I'll take it for a test ride. And I'll see then if it still gets the belt caught up in there. Then I'll know that I didn't actually tighten it up, and I'll just have to take it apart again and redo it. Now when you're putting or taking off these, you want to take this off so that you can get the belt off better, or else it'll tear up the belt if you try to get it off without taking that off. Okay, there we go. I think it's ready for another test ride. Okay, so what happened is the chain came off again because the engine's still loose. Now I forgot to extend this over so that I could actually bolt it to this, which would keep it tight. So now I need to take the engine back off and fix that. But other than that, I think the torque converter held up fine. It seemed to be working fine. It didn't get all caught up in there, so that's good. But I need to get the engine off and fix that next. Well guys, unfortunately I think that's gonna have to do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, I'd greatly appreciate it. And comment down below, how fast do you think it'll go once I get it going, which I hope to in the next video. on this go-kart. So yeah, comment down below how fast the top speed will be. And as always, I'll see you next time.